Insurance industry legend John Savage said, "When you work with the classes, you'll live with the masses. And when you work with the masses, you'll live with the classes." Meaning that the predictable money is in the middle or family market. And yet, don't most advisors defy this sage advice and try to target the high net worth market and then fail? Let me explode 3 family market myths for you so you can do better today. First, some advisors are so desperate to hide from being life insurance agents that they chase the high net worth market, hoping for the prestige they crave. But it's a mistake. Prestige is how you feel about what you do, not what others think. Helping people secure better futures is the highest honor, not better commissions per case. Other advisors think the family market is just too competitive, so they go upmarket where they believe there are fewer advisors. Wrong. Everyone today thinks they belong in the high net worth market and have crowded the space. If you want less competition, stay in the middle. Still others say that there is, no money in the family market. It's another myth. In a world where anyone can easily spend $200 a month on a cell phone and TV apps, think about it, why can't insurance for the family be $500 a month when they understand and want all that value? And if first-year commission is just a third of that $500, helping only 50 families a year will qualify for the $1 Million Round Table and earn you about $300,000. Isn't that a prestige income? Isn't helping 50 families doable? So if you want less competition, return to the family market and you will live with the classes. God bless. We'll see you again next week.